Welcome back to Whistle AI. Transformation starts with a single breath and a consistent practice. Today, we move through a powerful sequence of Surya Namaskar and other asanas to unlock your full potential. Clear your space, focus your mind. Your session begins now. Pranamasana, prayer pose. Bring your palms together at your heart center. Relax your shoulders and ground your feet. Hasta Uttanasana, raised arms pose. Inhale, reach your arms up and slightly back. Push your hips forward and lengthen your spine. Uttanasana, hand to foot pose. Exhale, hinge from the hips and fold forward. Keep your back straight as you bring your hands to the floor. Ashwa Sanchalanasana, equestrian pose. Inhale, step your right leg back, dropping the knee to the mat. Look up, opening your chest. Siddhasana, mountain pose. Inhale, root your feet into the earth and lengthen your spine toward the sky, finding the immovable strength of a mountain. Ashtanga Namaskara, eight-limbed salute. Gently drop your knees, chest, and chin to the mat, keeping your hips slightly lifted. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Slide forward and inhale. Lift your chest, keeping your elbows slightly bent and shoulders away from your ears. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward dog. Exhale, lift your hips high towards the sky. Push through your palms and reach your heels toward the mat. Ashwa Sanchalanasana, equestrian pose. Inhale, step your right foot forward between your hands. Drop the left knee and look up. Uttanasana, hand to foot pose. Exhale, hinge from the hips and fold forward. Keep your back straight as you bring your hands to the floor. Hasta Uttanasana, raised arms pose. Inhale, rise all the way up. Reach for the sky and arch back gently, feeling the stretch. Pranamasana, prayer pose. Exhale and return your hands to your heart center. Stand tall. Feel the warmth you've created. Trikonasana, triangle pose. Inhale, reach wide to the horizon, then exhale and hinge at the hip to stack your arms in a single line toward the sky. Natarajasana, Lord of the Dance Pose. Find your focus and inhale as you kick back into your hand, balancing strength and grace in this heart-opening stretch. Parivrita Janyu Sirsasana, revolved head to knee pose. Exhale as you spiral your chest open, reaching overhead to lengthen your side body and find deep release in this seated twist. Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. Exhale, press through your heels to lift your hips high, creating a strong bridge as you roll your shoulders underneath for support. Halasana, plow pose. Exhale and slowly lift your legs over your head until your toes touch the ground behind you, lengthening your entire spine and calming the mind. Vrikshasana, tree pose. Root your standing leg firmly into the earth and inhale as you bring your palms together, finding stillness and balance like a mountain tree. Vajrasana, thunderbolt pose. Inhale deeply and sit back on your heels with a straight spine, grounding your energy and preparing your body for quiet reflection. Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then exhale as you press the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to open wide like the wings of a butterfly. Siddhasana, accomplished pose. Inhale as you sit tall in the accomplished pose, grounding your body and clearing your mind to harvest the energy of your practice. Please stay there for a minute. Now, bring your palms to your heart center. Take a final deep breath and carry this piece with you off the mat. Namaste. Thank you for completing the yoga exercises with Rumi. Please like the video and subscribe for more AI-guided wellness.